We have potato frittata for today. The ingredients include potato, eggs, wholemeal flour, and onion. Firstly, we skins garlic, onion, and potato. Then we grate potatoes, onions, and garlics. Add eggs to the mix. We use 6 eggs for this recipe. We cook for almost 7 people. And when we added the wholemeal flour, we add little by little to make sure our mixture is not very hard or too watery. Then we add oil in a pan, wait it to be warm enough, and as you can see, we use 1 spoon at a time. And we cover it, so we let the inside to cook as well, and change the side after one side cook. It took around a couple of minutes for each side to complete, but you should keep an eye and make sure you give the correct amount of time, not overcook or use it when it's not ready. And that's the result.